QTK prides itself as a batch-sized one production facility. We focus on a single lot or job at a time. Every part, every product is uniquely identifiable. We treat it all the same. Microvellum and our software setup here allows that to happen. Each one of those products, each part inside a product had a unique barcode generated from Microvellum. I can take any part in this facility and scan it, and it would be easily identifiable of what job that belongs to. Everything is treated the same. To us, it's just a product that has entered production from Microvellum. Whether high volume, low complexity, or high complexity, low volume, work orders are individual through our facility. When we do mid-rise and high-rise, the volume that we can push out is much higher due to lower complexity. To me personally, that's critical.
Scanning barcodes, running RFID tags, all of the thinking has already been completed, and jobs really run through the factory so fast now. And Microvellum gives us that ability. Microvellum we don't see as a vendor, we see them as a partner in our business.